Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel of Cryptos to Buy Now. Today we are here to discuss another cryptocurrency that's taking up the charts in the market. Yes, as you've read in the title, it is a Bitcoin. Currently, it is a very ongoing topic amongst investors, so let's dig into it and find out the reasons for its continuous demand. To have a good understanding of the topic, kindly stick to the end of the video. I hope it turns out to be informative for you. So, without any further delay, let's dive into it. Let's begin to discuss this topic by shedding light on the main reasons for Bitcoin and its uses. As you all know that technology is rapidly evolving and enhancing at a very fast rate, every next day a couple of new things are invented to keep our daily lives much easier, which already have a price to pay. With the increase in demands and expenses, people look forward to making big investments that help them earn money side by their job or business so that they won't face any loss in the future. Well, with an increase in expenses, a couple of ways to earn the money were also invented. Similarly, one of the ways to have a handful of profits without much effort is by purchasing cryptocurrency coins. Let's get to know one of the similar cryptocurrencies named as Bitcoin. So without any further delay, let's dive into the topic. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first ever cryptocurrency to take birth, and it is also known as one of the best cryptocurrencies despite the invention of more than 5,000 other cryptocurrencies that exist today. The media of finance daily covers the elevating and lowering price of the Bitcoin in the market. Bitcoin is known as a decentralized digital currency that can be purchased, sold, and interchanged directly without the involvement of a mediator like a bank. The main aim of the creator of Bitcoin, whose name is Satoshi Nakamoto, is that there should be a source of electronic payment systems which should be entirely based on proof of cryptography rather than trust. Whenever a transaction has been made using a Bitcoin cryptocurrency, the data is recorded on a public ledger that is approachable by almost everyone. Due to this way of networking, the transactions are least likely to face any kind of difficulties and fakeness. The Bitcoin network is designed in a way that its decentralized nature prevents the involvement of any particular institution as well as any government. Moreover, due to these features, there is nothing to guarantee the value of the Bitcoins except the proof that is present in the system of the Bitcoin technology. The value of the Bitcoin is generalized by the people themselves as they consider it anything better than gold. After the launch of Bitcoin in 2009, it has taken over the internet with a storm. The value of Bitcoin has risen dramatically. Even though once the Bitcoin was sold at $150 per coin in March of 2021, but now with its rapid growth in months, its price is almost nearly set to $50,000. The number of Bitcoins that are in supply is 21 million coins only. Many analysts have predicted that the price of Bitcoin will keep on rising with passing time, and large professional investors are going to invest in this currency. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is essentially built on blockchain technology that is distributed digital record. As the name says, blockchain is a connected body of data and information, which is a buildup of units known as blocks that hold information in themselves about every transaction that has taken place, which also includes the time and date, the total amount of the transaction, the seller and buyer of the transaction, as well as the distinctive code of each exchange that has been made. This data and information has been stored in these blocks in chronological order and is held together, which forms a digital chain of blocks called a blockchain. Blockchain is designed and developed in a way that any person can edit it, which sounds risky at first place. But what comes to shock is that due to this reason, Bitcoin is stated as one of the most trustworthy cryptocurrencies and makes it completely secure. When a transaction has been made, to add the data of the transaction onto the Bitcoin blockchain, it should be verified beforehand by all the majority holders before Bitcoin currency. Not only this, but every Bitcoin has a unique code that can be read to identify and recognize the wallet of the owner, as well as the transactions are also recognized to know the correct encryption pattern used. Future of Bitcoin. In this era where more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies exist, it gets difficult for investors to decide which one to buy. Despite Bitcoin standing on the top of the charts, the volatility in its prices and continuous ups and downs, as well as the risks related to the cryptocurrency, always scare the good out of the investors and they look for better options. A lot of things should be considered before investing in Bitcoin in 2021 to get the maximum profit out of it. It is not an easy investment for sure, and it is not suitable for those who have no energy and power to face great risks and downfalls. Bitcoin was essentially holding 70% of the market value due to its increased demand, but unfortunately, it has been fallen to 46%, but it still holds the highest crypto market value compared to all the other cryptocurrencies. To date, since its launch, Bitcoin has proved to be the world's largest digital currency by the capitalization of the market, as it has reached the highest price of all time, which is $63,558 in late April. After Bitcoin, the second largest cryptocurrency to exist is Ethereum. When Bitcoin faced a downfall last April 23rd, its price fell below $50,000. But when the price of Bitcoin had to face a backlash, it also made all the other cryptocurrencies suffer, and with Bitcoin, all the other digital coins, including Ethereum, had their values dragged down. Due to this cryptocurrency market had to face a great loss that was worth $200 billion. It indeed greatly affected the market in the worst way possible. But with this, we can analyze that if Bitcoin is going to suffer from any loss, then the entire crypto coins have to face the loss as well, which will help the Bitcoin to maintain its top position and also the best currency to invest in. The correlation of Bitcoin comeback in the stock market has continued to be quite low, which is one of the main reasons that investors are looking forward to turning to Bitcoin as their favorable cryptocurrency. As Bitcoin has almost zero association with any other asset in the time span of 3 years, Bitcoin is more likely to provide diversification to a portfolio. This has turned out to be extremely important considering the continuous rise to the possible connections of many assets that have been visible with mega-cap tech stocks. The small contribution of Bitcoin in a traditional portfolio has helped to improve and enhance the returns and lessened risk-adjusted returns, and that too without substantially escalating volatility or high-risk drawdowns. The distinctive technology of Bitcoin and its ongoing demand is elevating in price and value in the market. Since 2009, when Bitcoin had been launched, it didn't let any other cryptocurrency take its first place in the crypto charts despite facing a lot of downfalls, especially this year. Many celebrities and famous personalities have also invested in this cryptocurrency, and their tweets about getting this cryptocurrency have further increased its value over time. In conclusion, in these tough times to invest, Bitcoin can be a good option for you if you own a substantial amount to purchase it. If you have a low budget, then buying Bitcoin is not recommended as you will most likely face a loss. However, if you have a hold of good money and you want to invest somewhere that can turn out to be fruitful, and you are ready to face all the risk associated with investment, then you should go for it. Kindly do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to hit the bell icon to get updated about the latest videos uploaded by the Crypto University. The comment section is available for you to drop your opinions about how Dogecoin will be doing in the market in upcoming times.